Good morning. Yeah. Wait a minute. Good morning, you guys, and welcome to the vlog. It is October 1st, which in my mind makes it officially fall, even though that was like a couple of days ago. But it is a little bit before 7:30. It's 7:24, and I thought I would just take you guys along with me. The start of this month is actually really kind of big for me, just because I'm trying to make a few lifestyle changes. I've already been working on them, but I really want to try to commit to them this month. So I will show you guys that a little bit later on in this vlog. So before I get to studying, I just want to show you what I'm wearing today. So I just have on a black tank top from Target, just a regular tank. And then I have on this zip up hoodie that I got from H&M. It was 20 bucks and they had a lot of different colors. It's really comfy. I'll probably be in this all day. Our mornings are starting to get a little bit cooler, so it is chilly in the house right now, but love it, love the color. And then I just have on some leggings that I got from Forever 21. I believe these were like $10-ish, something like that. And just my house shoes until I leave the house. But that is the look for today.
Your call has been forwarded to an automated voice messaging system.
What? Okay.
Your call has been forwarded.
This is annoying. They're not even answering.
Your call has been
So annoying.
At the tone, please record your message.
Hi, this is Passion Rubin. Okay, so as we just saw, Ford does not want me to get my doors fixed, so but we left a voicemail. Hopefully they'll call me back because I really want to get that taken care of, hopefully within like the next week. So a little bit of an update for you guys. I was able to schedule an appointment online for Monday at 7 a.m. I do hope that they call me back today just to confirm that they do have the part available, because it would suck for me to get there and they're like, oh, we don't have the part, or we have to keep your car, or something like that. So that is the current situation, but I could scratch that off of my to-do list for today. So 1 down, 3 to go. Okay, you guys, so the new video is now live. Here it is, Target Fall Fashion Try-On Haul. And I am about to tweet this out. If you're not following me on Twitter, at Passion Simone. And there we go. So now all I have to do is create an Instagram story about it, and that will be another thing that I can check off of my to-do list. So it's snack time. Got a little sugar craving, and I thought that this would be the perfect time to show you guys my favorite snack of the moment. Nestle Toll House edible cookie dough. You guys, it's so friggin' good. Ugh, I love it so much. Like, I always like to eat cookie dough whenever we were making cookies when I was younger, right? But to know that there's edible cookie dough that's not gonna make you sick, I feel like my prayers have been answered. It's amazing. It really is that good. I mean, look at that. Look at that. You have the chocolate chips in there. It's like pure perfection. Happy Friday, you guys. I am currently in line at Starbucks And this is a huge thing for me because I gave up coffee for a little bit over a week. You know, I just wanted to kind of like get a hold on, one, my anxiety, and two, just like not being as dependent on it. So I definitely want to like scale back and not try to not have it every day, or if I do reach for a cup of coffee, make sure that it's not a huge cup, like limiting the size of it and the amount of it that I drink in like one sitting. So yeah, here we are.
Good morning. Thank you so much for choosing our Starbucks. How are we doing today?
Good, how are you?
So happy to hear you're doing good. Before we get started, please.
Can I get a tall vanilla latte?
Yeah, a tall vanilla latte.
And a croissant? So nice.
$6.93 today. Thank you. Here's this for you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day, okay?
You too.
Thank you.
You guys, I have my coffee. I'm so excited. Y'all just do not understand how excited I am for this cup of coffee. Like, words cannot describe. It's really good. Needs to cool off a little bit. Kind of burned myself there, but hey, you want something, but it's really good. So yeah, now that we have the motivation juice, that's what we should call it, my cup of coffee, I can start my day. Hopefully it'll be a really quick one because I'm ready to jump into the weekend. I'm just, you know, as I said, over this whole week. And so coming in, so I'm about to break for lunch, but before I do that, I wanted to show you guys the habit tracker that I mentioned yesterday, just to kind of give you guys like a little sense of what is going on for me this month in terms of my goals. So here is my habit tracker slash productivity tracker for October. This is my first time ever doing anything like this, but as you can see, I have my activities here and then the days of the month up top. And we are on the 2nd right now, so we're like right here, but these are a couple of the goals that I have, which is to go to the gym, create YouTube videos, read a little bit, journaling, nighttime skincare, do an Instagram post, blog post, wake up early, get my recommended amount of water, and get ready slash change out of my PJs. And right under that, I have my goals. So this is where I put the number of days out of the month that I want to complete each goal. So right here, so like going to the gym, I want to do that at least 15 days out of the month, and so forth and so on for the rest of my goals. And I can say it is day 2, but I feel like I am doing pretty well in terms of the goals that I have set for myself. So yeah, I think that those are just like a brief overview of the things that I, you know, want to become a little bit better at and want to do more consistently. And this is a great way to show me like how I am measuring up to the goals that I set for myself, because you could think that, oh, I'm doing really well in this, but you turn around and look at the like stats and whatnot and you're like, oh crap, I'm not doing that well. I thought that I went to the gym 3 times a week, but turns out I only went like 2 days out of the week. So things like that. And I think it'll be really interesting at the end of the month to see, you know, where I am and to actually see how I feel. So I will definitely be keeping you guys in the loop on that. And also I'm kind of playing with the idea of redoing my room just a little bit. As you guys know, I did redo my room earlier this year. I'll have the videos linked in the cards and down below. But I know I want to redo my bedding for sure. And then I also want to figure out something better to hang up on my wall above my bed. That's kind of where we are at with my room situation. So I'm done with work today and I can officially start my weekend. But I'm about to go to IKEA because I officially decided to redo my bed. They have these oversized pillows that I really want to get, so hopefully they have them. And I also want to check out a little bit of the art that they have. So that is what we are about to do, and I'm going to bring you guys along with me. next day and I realized that I didn't show you guys what I got from IKEA, so let me do that really quickly. So from IKEA, I ended up getting 2 of these really big square pillows and then 2 of these just regular standard pillows. And this is what they look like. This one is the standard pillow, just literally a standard pillow. It's not that firm, but also not too soft, just like right in the middle. And I might end up getting 2 more depending on how it works out. And then I just got this oversized pillow right here. Literally just a huge square pillow. And I actually still have to get covers for the 2 of these because they were out of covers at IKEA. So I'm probably just gonna either get beige or I'm gonna get a white cover just to go over them. But yeah, those are the bed updates, and I did order a duvet and a duvet cover, which should be coming within a couple of weeks. So my bed's gonna be completely transformed. Stay tuned for that. And yeah, I think that this is where I'm going to end the vlog, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you have not subscribed to my channel already, make sure to subscribe down below. And I'll see you guys next time with a new video. Bye.